All right, boys and girls in the U.S., are you ready? Buck Lightning versus a volcano!
Feel the ground shake.
Royal City Wrestling, October 13th, the last time I graced the Royal City Wrestling ring with my presence. I retired Johnny Flash and was attacked by Mr. India. Well, Mr. India, you don't look too big, you don't look too small, you don't look, very tough actually. He looks pretty tiny. I think this is to scale. Doesn't matter. You cowered it out. I was gonna fight you October 13th. Now you send your boy Volcano! I'm gonna be retiring Volcano too! His blood will be on your hands! I mean, it'll be on my hands, but they'll be on your hands too! October 13th, Royal City Wrestling! Fuck yeah!
Volcano here. Buck, you weren't passed over by Mr. India. No. I asked for you. You did an injustice, and you were downright rude to the public. So, if you're so rude, it's only up to me to take you out. And Buck, you can guarantee that I'm going to take you out October 13th. Because in the end of the day, you're going to feel the heat.